Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself needing to organize your Smartsheet projects more efficiently, today's tutorial is going to walk you step by step through how to move a Smartsheet into a workspace. By the time we're done, you'll know exactly how to keep your sheets organized, which is a real game changer for team collaboration and project management. Let's get straight into it. First, let's head over to your Smartsheet account and open up the Browse panel. You'll find this on the left-hand side of your screen, where all of your sheets, folders, and workspaces are conveniently listed. Take a moment to scan through here and find the specific sheet you want to move. Don't worry if you have a lot on your list, just scroll until you spot the one you need. In my case, I've got a sample or dummy sheet ready to go just for demonstration. Now, once you've found your sheet, here what you want to do, single-click on it to select it. Sometimes people get caught up here, thinking they need to open the sheet first, but you just select it right in the Browse list. Having it highlighted makes it clear which one you're working with, and you're all set for the next step. Here, where the magic happens, click and hold that sheet, then simply drag it to the folder or workspace where you want it to live. It's a lot like moving a file into a different folder on your computer, just drag and drop. You'll notice as you drag, Smartsheet gives you some visual cues, highlighting where you can drop the sheet. If you're moving the sheet into a workspace, make sure you see that workspace get highlighted before releasing your mouse button. Take your time with this part, there's no rush, and you want to be sure you're dropping it in the right spot. Now, as soon as you let go, Smartsheet will pop up a confirmation window. This is Smartsheet's way of preventing any accidental moves, which can be super helpful if you're handling a lot of important data. The confirmation will ask if you're sure you want to move the sheet. Take a quick moment to double-check that you've got the right sheet and workspace. This little pause is a great habit to stay organized and avoid headaches down the line. Once you're sure, just press OK. That's really all there is to it. The sheet is now safely moved into its new workspace. This simple action may not seem like a big deal at first, but it's incredibly valuable for keeping all your project resources grouped with the right team or department, so everyone who needs access can find what they need without searching all over the place. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how smoothly your team works together. If you ran into any issues, maybe the sheet didn't show up in the workspace right away, or you got a permissions warning, don't worry. Sometimes you may need to refresh your browser or double-check that you have editing rights for the workspace you're moving the sheet into. These things happen even to seasoned users, so it's totally normal. That wraps up our walkthrough on moving a Smartsheet to a workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and drop any questions or experiences in the comments. I'd love to help or hear your tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss more practical Smartsheet tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.